Welcome to
अपना ज्ञान लो।
Today, how metals and non-metals bond, and how we extract metals. To finish this chapter, we see how metals and non-metals join up, and how we pull pure metals out of the rocks in the earth. When a metal meets a non-metal, they form an ionic compound. The metal gives away electrons and becomes a positive ion. The non-metal takes them and becomes a negative ion. Opposite charges attract, and that is the bond. For example, sodium gives one electron to chlorine, forming Na plus and Cl minus, which stick together as common salt. Question time. Sodium, a metal, gives an electron to chlorine, a non-metal. What kind of bond forms between them? Pause and think. Yes, an ionic bond. Metal plus non-metal, by transfer of electrons, gives an ionic compound. Ionic compounds share some clear properties. They are hard solids with high melting points. Most dissolve in water. And they conduct electricity when melted or dissolved, though not when solid. Now, extraction. Most metals are found in the earth combined in rocks. A rock from which a metal can be profitably extracted is called an ore. Getting the metal out is called metallurgy. And how we extract a metal depends on where it sits in the reactivity series. Low reactivity metals, like gold, silver, and copper, are often found free in nature, or are easy to obtain. Middle metals, like iron, zinc, and lead, are obtained by heating their oxide with carbon, which reduces it to the metal. And highly reactive metals, like sodium, calcium, and aluminium, are so tightly bound that we need electrolysis of their molten ore to free them. One more question. Gold is usually found in nature as the pure, free metal, not as a compound. Does that mean gold is very reactive, or very unreactive? Pause and think. Correct, unreactive. Because gold barely reacts, it stays as the free metal instead of forming compounds. Finally, alloys. An alloy is a mixture of a metal with other metals or elements to get better properties. Steel is iron with carbon. Stainless steel adds chromium and nickel so it does not rust. Brass is copper and zinc. Bronze is copper and tin. So remember, metal plus non-metal gives ionic compounds. We extract metals based on reactivity, free, or with carbon, or by electrolysis. And alloys are mixtures that improve a metal's properties. That completes metals and non-metals. Next, one of the most amazing elements of all, carbon. That is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to
अपना ज्ञान लो।
and ring the bell so you never miss a new lesson. See you in the next one.